We finally arrived at Terminal 3 here at NAIA. We will be traveling to Hong Kong and then we'll go to Macau for a whole day. So, mimit natin ngayon si Peter and Dieter sa baba. Kakarating lang natin dito. Update you in a bit. So, ito na po sila. Nag-check na po ng mga documents. We're going to enter immigration in a few. So, ang bagong ilong ni dito.
No po. Kita na namin person.
So, nakalampas na po kami ng immigration. Dito na po kami malapit sa aming boarding gate. We're just gonna have a quick breakfast before we wait for boarding. Ito pa mga first time travelers natin. So, congratulations sa inyo. Ito na po yung gate natin. Gate number 109. 5J110. Going to Hong Kong. So, we're finally boarding our plane. So, kanina sa immigration, sabi, so 2015 pa yung last travel niyo, sir? I didn't realize it's been that long. So, it's nice to be back. Welcome to Hong Kong. Ito na kami sa Hong Kong ni John. Kumusta naman imong first international trip?
Sobrang happy. Sobrang saya.
Wow.
This is my first.
Saka pupunta ngayon?
Sa Macau.
Okay, let's go to Macau. Ayun sabi, mainland Macau. Doon tayo. Ito na yung mga kasama natin. Welcome to Hong Kong. Dito tayo sa Ito Transfer Desk. Sumakay tayo ng train papunta doon sa transfer desk natin. We're looking for Ito Transfer Desk. So this is we're claiming our free bus ticket to Macau. You just need to present your passport, boarding pass, and declaration form. Malapit siya dito sa what's this? Super. There. The tourism of Macau has an ongoing promotion ngayon na you can get a free bus trip from Hong Kong to Macau one way if you are an eligible tourist. I created a video tutorial for that. I'll link it here. Bali, even before I learned about the free bus, part na talaga ng itinerary namin ng Macau. So when I did my research, I found out na they were offering this. So definitely grinab namin siya kasi magkano din yun? Parang almost 70 Hong Kong dollars. So malaking savings na din. And while pinaprocess yung ticket namin, tinanong ko na rin si ate about the details on how to get the bus pabalik naman from Macau to Hong Kong. Sabi niya madali lang and you can buy the ticket right there and then. So yeah, eto. Very smooth lang ng transactions. We finally got our tickets and we are ready to go to Macau. Sa akin, we're here. Let's go. Okay. Kuha na namin yung ticket namin sa Macau. Now we're going to take the train going to Sky Pier. Doon tayo sasakay ng bus papuntang Macau. Papunta na tayo ng Sky Pier to board our bus. It's a free bus going to Macau. Sundan lang natin yung sign na sabi Sky Pier. Alright, we'll go there. So dito na tayo sa Sky Pier boarding gate. So our bus is leaving by 11:30. Dito tayo sasakay and then going to Macau. It will take about 40 minutes. Dito na tayo sa loob ng bus. This is the bus that we're taking going to Macau. Bus na kami papuntang Macau. Thank you. First time naming lahat pumunta sa Macau and first time nating dadaan dito sa Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge. This is the bridge that connects Hong Kong to Macau through land. May other option din to go to Macau through ferry, but that's a more expensive option. And we're thankful na nakuha namin tong free bus. Amazing tong bridge na to kasi we thought we're only crossing sa ibabaw ng dagat, but ito may tunnel siya. So imagine we are like crossing under the sea, going to the other side, going to Macau.
And by the way, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video. Please also subscribe so you can follow along with my journey. Please also turn on that notification bell so you can get notified on my new videos. Thank you.
Ito yung bus na sinakyan natin papuntang Macau. We just arrived at Macau. Now it's time for us to look for the shuttle going to the hotel. Once you arrive sa port ng Macau, maraming options ng free shuttle going to the casinos and hotels. So kailangan nyo lang pumili. Maliit lang naman ang Macau, so yung mga tourist destinations usually is malapit lang din sa mga hotels and casinos. So good thing may mga free shuttle sila. And we'll look for what option we'll take here. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa immigration ng Macau. Lalabas tayo para humanap ng shuttle na sasakyan papunta dun sa mga hotel na pwede natin ipag-store ng mga luggage natin. Let's find it. Instead of taking the escalator, you may wanna take also the elevator. Mas mabilis and konti lang gumagamit. Andun yung mga tao dumidiretso sa escalator. This is our second elevator. So, hanapin natin dito yung sakayan ng bus or free shuttle going to Wynn Palace yung napili namin. Hanapin natin. We found the Wynn Palace shuttle service here. Tayo sa loob ng Wynn Palace. Hanapin natin yung storage area for our luggage. Dito yung papunta sa pavilion tsaka dun sa lobby nila. Dito kami sa may lobby nila, sa concierge and dun sa bell service. Naiwan din namin yung luggage namin. Kailangan lang palang may mag-register kahit isa lang dun sa casino ng Wynn Rewards. So hindi ako nakapag-video doon sa may casino. So we'll go ahead and explore now. Dito kami kumain sa pavilion ng Wynn Palace. So pag umupo kayo sa table, i-scan nyo lang yung QR code, then you can pay online. Pero nag-error yung card namin, so pwede pala mag-swipe doon. So yun, medyo naubos yung oras namin, pero sobrang gutom na, alas 2 na. Ito yung in-order ko, braised pork, kanya braised, ano yan? Stew? This is 68 MOP, 58 MOP. So tapos na tayong kumain dito sa pavilion ng Wynn Palace. So try natin sumakay doon sa free cable car dito sa Wynn Palace. Later pa mag-open yung free cable car dito sa Wynn Palace. So nag-withdraw muna kami ng cash before heading out. Punta muna tayo sa ibang tourist attractions. So from Wynn Palace, we are taking a taxi going to Fisherman's Wharf. It said in the map that it will take about 9 to 10 minutes. Then this is Grand Lisboa. This is Grand Lisboa Palace. We arrived at Fisherman's Wharf here in Macau. Dito yung parang mga mini Roman structures like the Colosseum. Ito, papasok tayo dyan a bit. Fisherman's Wharf here in Macau. Dito tayo ngayon sa Mini Colosseum and this very nice structure here na parang Roman inspired. Look at this. Tapos may mga columns dito banda. Roman amphitheater is huge. Sobrang laki niya and it's a massive replica designed to look exactly like the real Colosseum sa Italy. They really went all out with all the details here. Yung stones, they look weathered. Yung arches, they are perfectly framed and it looks completely real. Macau Fisherman's Wharf. And by the way, ang pagpasok dito sa Fisherman's Wharf, it's completely free. There's no need to pay anything. Dito pala kami sa Roman Gelato. Ayan. Buying ice cream. Eto si John, bumibili ng ice cream. Titikman natin yung mango sago nila. Yung 1 scoop lang. 38 MOP or HKD. Mango sago. Just a few steps away from the Colosseum, dito naman yung Legend Boulevard. Makikita nyo dito yung mga pastel-colored European storefronts, Victorian architecture, tapos may mga outdoor cafes din. And dun sa pinakadulo nitong Legend Boulevard, you will see the outdoor harbor. And yung makikita rin dito yung giant transit bridge na dinaanan natin galing Hong Kong. Punta na kami ng St. Paul Ruins pero hindi namin alam kung anong bus ang sasakyan. So we might as well take the taxi. Ito kami ngayon sa bus stop ng Fisherman's Wharf. Nakakuha naman kami agad ng taxi. Make sure lang na may dala kayong cash whenever you're taking a cab here because cash lang ina-accept nila. Dito lang kami sa Ruins of St. Paul. Sobrang daming tao. I guess this is the highlight of Macau. A lot of tourists here. May mga bilihan dito ng refreshments sa mga merienda just below the Ruins of St. Paul's. Medyo pricey lang siya. Yung drink na yan 35. This one is 35. Sa Hong Kong kami. Ito, jerky. Dami namin para pre-taste kay Kuya. Pinoy din si Kuya. Dito siya sa may St. Paul. So we're leaving Ruins of St. Paul's going to Senado Square. And manonotice nyo talaga dito na sobrang laki ng influence ng Portuguese based sa mga structures and buildings dito. Sabi dito sa Macau, ang daming pa free taste.
Bansa na ako kamusta ka dyan? Malaman kita na.
Di ba para lang tayo nasa Europe? Very Lisbon or Rome feel siya. So Senado Square is the historic heart of Macau. So dito pala officially nagmi-meet yung mga Chinese and Portuguese back in the day. And it's also considered as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Amazing. So we took another taxi heading to our final stop before kami bumalik sa port kasi babalik pa tayo ng Hong Kong and mag-check-in pa tayo sa hotel. So parang at this point medyo hinahabol na namin yung oras. This is their hotel reception. We are going to the Eiffel Tower here in the Parisian, near the Londoner. Dito na yung Eiffel Tower. So, punta tayo sa entrance. So dito na tayo sa tinatawag nilang Cotai Strip or the Las Vegas of Asia where most of the casinos and hotels are. Umakyat tayo dito sa free viewing deck nila. From here you can see the Londoners Big Ben across the street. Tapos andito sa kabilang side yung Venetian's Canal. And maganda yung view. We took pictures. Amazing and worth it yung pag-akyat dito. Look at that ceiling. Amazing. Ganda. We're here now at the Venetian Macau Resort. Magkakatabi lang sila, so galing tayong Parisian, paglabas katabi lang niya yung The Venetian, and then across the street is yung The Londoner. Guys, kita nyo naman sa likod ko yung malaking tower, clock tower, parang Big Ben sa UK. And nandito tayo in front of The Venetian Macau. So, pupunta tayo dun sa isang spot na trending sa TikTok where may escalator, tapos makikita tong background ng The Big Ben at Clock Tower. So, try natin yung trend na yan. Let's go. Unfortunately, ginagawa siya is under construction. So, hindi tayo makakakit ng escalator. But we'll just take a photo of this from here. Yun siya. So, pabalik na tayo ng Wynn Palace. Across lang pala siya ng The Venetian. So, claim natin yung mga luggage namin and then sakay na tayo ng shuttle going back to the port kasi babalik na tayo ng Hong Kong. This is City of Dreams, Macau. Such a beautiful landscape. Ganda dito. Facing the City of Dreams is the Londoner Courts. This one. So sakto yung pagdating namin sa Wynn Palace, open na yung cable car. So bago tayo magbalik papunta Hong Kong, sasakay muna tayo dito. Andito tayo sa Skycab ng Wynn Palace. Hindi ganun kahaba yung pila, so sasakay tayo. And this is for free. Ito na, malapit na tayo sa pila. Hanggang 6 yung kaya ng isang cable car. 4 lang kami. Dito na kami sa blue cable car. Yes. For me, ito yung pinaka-cool and most luxurious attraction. At the same time, free attraction siya dito sa entire Cotai Strip. So imagine you get to ride the Skycab for free and you will witness this amazing fountain show dancing to the music Right now, it's playing Katy Perry Roar. And na-enjoy namin talaga siya. So, quick facts dito sa SkyCab, yung free cable car nila. It's open Sunday to Thursday from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Pag Friday to Saturday, it's from 4 p.m. until midnight. So, this ends our day tour here in Macau. So, kayang-kaya siya ng isang whole day lang. You don't need to book a hotel. Pwede kang mag-day trip lang galing sa Hong Kong. And the best part, you get a free bus ride one way. And most of the attractions are for free. So, yes, we'll go back to Hong Kong now and we'll see you on the next video. Stay safe always.